Hi, I'm Monica Sawyer, a best-selling author, filmmaker, and lifelong advocate for emotional resilience and healing through storytelling. From my book, Choose Bliss, to films that inspire hope. Today, I want to share something truly personal, my new film, The Christmas Rescue. This isn't just a movie, it's my story. It's the truth of what I've lived, and it's about love, second chances, and the healing bond between people and rescue animals. Every single day, invisible heartbreaks are happening all around us. On one side, animals are abandoned, left behind, confused, unseen, and unheard. Their despair is real. They sit in cold kennels, waiting for someone who may never come. And on the other side, women carry their own silent pain. Women who can't have children or choose not to, they feel judged, questioned, and less than. These may seem like different stories, but they share the same longing, the ache of being overlooked and misunderstood, and the hope for belonging. The Christmas Rescue brings these truths together. It reminds us that love doesn't come in just one form, and that we can create a family in so very many beautiful ways. When you support this campaign, you're helping to bring a film that gives abandoned animals a voice, a film that honors women whose worth is too often questioned, and a film filled with hope, connection, and unexpected healing. We're raising our first $20,000 to finalize the script, secure legal support, and put all the essentials in place before production can begin. And to thank you for your support, we've created some beautiful perks, from sketches of our tiny canine hero to a virtual holiday party with the cast to your name on the film credits. I want to make sure that every reward fills your heart with joy. Plus, your donation is tax deductible, which I am thrilled to offer you as an added bonus. I know not everyone can donate, and that's okay. But if that's you and you're still inspired to help, you can make a huge difference by sharing this campaign with your friends and family and anyone who loves animals or who would benefit from this story. You have more impact than you realize, and one share could be the reason this film gets funded. If this story touches your heart, the animals longing for love, the women longing to be seen and understood, the chance for healing and second chances, then this is your moment to join us. We're aiming to bring this film to the world by the holiday season of 2026, so timing is really important. We need to get started right away, so please don't hesitate. Donate now. Your support today brings this film to life, and it sends a message to every living being. You matter, you belong, you are enough. Let's make the Christmas Rescue a reality together. Thank you so much for your help and your support.